2, 3.
Hello, Namaste. Myself Yogacharya Arpit Malik from India, and today I teach you handstand basic to advanced. So step by step. So let's start. First, put up your palms on the floor and come to table pose. First, check your alignment. Palms under your shoulder line and knee under your hip line. Keep same distance between your both palm and both knee. And first, do the Marjorie Kriya for the warm up, like this. Inhale and exhale like this. Inhale, cow pose, and exhale, cat pose. After 20 to 30 round, this is the first step, and second is, let's see, do the push-ups in the table pose. This is the second step. We will practicing of handstand step by step first, and this is the second step. Let's see, like this. 1, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. This push-ups improve your arms power and improve your confidence level, improve your wrist power. Now this is the second step, and start the third step. Now inhale, look up, tuck your toes in, and exhale, go back, mountain pose. Now if you feel comfortable, then bring your palms, bring your both feet together, and if you feel uncomfortable, feel maximum stretch in your hamstring, then open your leg and feet under your hip line. Lock your knee and press your both heels towards the ground. Feel comfortable, then rest your both heels completely on the floor. Lock your knee, press your palms towards the ground, lift up your shoulder, spread your finger and neck between your both arms. This is the mountain pose, Parvatasana. And inhale, come to plank pose slowly. This is the third step, and now we will the push-ups in the plank pose for the improve your arm balancing much more. Like this. Exhale, go down and keep your elbow over your wrist. Look front. Now inhale, slowly come up. Exhale, create the 90 and close your elbow near your ribcage. Inhale, up. Exhale, inhale. After the third step, this push-ups to do 20 to 30 times, and now slowly come back and 20 to 30 times, 3 rounds. Total 90 push-ups. If you do, then your arms power improve very quickly, and you do the handstand very quickly and good to do it. Now third step, tuck your toes in and go back, mountain. And slowly inhale, raise your right leg up as much as you can, and hold here the posture 20 to 30 seconds, and take deeply inhale and deeply exhale like this. Now slowly exhale and rest your right feet on the floor. Come back, mountain. and repeat the same posture to another side. Slowly raise your left leg up and hold again 20 to 30 seconds. Rotation your thigh internal, tuck your toes in and feel the stretch on your standing hamstring. Slowly come back. This is the fourth step. Now let's go on the fifth step. Slowly walk your feet towards the ground, towards your palms, and keep your feet behind your both palms. Now slowly, this is the fifth step. Slowly raise your right leg up, look down and hold it, and keep your maximum body weight on your palms. Tuck your toes out and hold again 20 to 30 seconds, and try to do it 3 times. Slowly come back and repeat the same posture from another side, very gentle, and concentrate on your breathing. Slowly come back. Finish the fifth step. Now start the sixth step. This time bring your right leg back, maximum 1.5 feet distance between your both feet. Bend your left knee and straight your right leg. Look front, little bit arch your back, and slowly inhale, raise your right leg up and press your left leg, left big toe, and pull your body up like this. Look front and inhale like this. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Try to do it 20 to 30 times, and after the 30 change the leg. Right leg front and left leg back, and start again with same posture like this. Look front, arch back, concentrate on your breath and keep continuing. After 20 to 30 times from both legs, take some rest and rotate your wrist for the relaxation. After the sixth step, we will go for the seventh step. Both feet bring together, bend your knee, look front, little bit arch your back. Keep your full body weight on your both palms. Press your palms, lift up your shoulder, and jump from both legs like this. Inhale, like exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Try to do it 20 to 30 times on 3 rounds, not 1 and 2. Continue 20 to 30, 3 rounds, and finish this. Then start the 8th level with the wall. First, keep distance, 1 arm distance from the wall. Now palms on the floor, and put up your feet on the wall. Completely rest your palms on the floor. Right leg up, left leg up. Slowly straight your knee. Keep your feet in pelvis line and look towards your feet. Spread your finger neck between your arm and hold here 20 to 30 seconds. Again, slowly exhale. Come, put up your feet on the floor and take some rest in Sasankasana, like this, rabbit pose. After 10 seconds, come back Vajrasana, rotate your wrist for the relaxation, and again try to do it like that. But this time, completely forward and heel up. After 30 seconds, come back slow, and again rest in Sasankasana. Slowly come back and start the 9th step this time. But this time, keep your face on towards the wall and palms on the floor. Now inhale, slowly jump front, first from right and second from left, like this. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And after 5 rounds, try to hold it with support the wall, like this, and hold it for the 30 seconds. Press your palms towards the ground, lift up your shoulder, pointing toes up, and concentrate on your breath. Long inhale and long exhale. After 30 seconds, slowly come back and take Sasankasana again for neutral your blood circulation. Now this time, from 10th step, try to do it 3 times, and each and every time holding in 20 to 30 seconds. Now 10th step is jump with both legs, like this. And hop. And now the variation in this, bend your knee and rest your both knees on your wall and hold it. Slowly come back. After 3 rounds, finish the 10th step, slowly come back and hold every step, every round 10 and 30 times, 30 seconds. After take some rest in Sasankasana, come back Vajrasana, palms on the floor again, and let's start the 11th round. This round is very important. The same posture. Now slowly jump, hold it, and now lift up your arms one by one, like this, like this. After 30 seconds, slowly come back, and after that, try to do it 2 more times. 12th step. Finish. This is the final step, 12th step. Now palms on the floor. Slowly walk your feet towards your palms. Keep little bit distance in your both legs and slowly jump. Slowly come back. So now if you do these 12 steps, then you do it handstand very quickly and very good level. This is the 12 step to do the handstand posture. These 12 steps improve your handstand very quickly and very fast. And thank you for watching my video, and please follow this, and namaste, Hari Om.